Hi, welcome to Easy 2 Tips and Tricks, where you see everything up close and personal. Alright, today I'm going to be putting the holes in the backer board for the sink, the waterfall faucet, the VesselSink. And I'll show you how to do this. This is the easy part. You need a coring bit, and I'll show you what that coring bit is, so stay tuned and hold on. What am I doing with the C-clamp? Well, I'm going to show you a trick, and I'll tell you why. Alright, this is a coring bit, a hole cutting bit. Alright, now this happens to be 1.25 inches. I need 1.5 inches. So I've drilled holes, a 1/2 inch hole with my paddle bit. Okay, and now there's my pencil, alright, coming through. Now I'm going to be able to take this with this clamped on there. Alright, I'm going to take this bit and I will be able to work this entire, okay, this entire hole here just by moving this around. Okay, so with no further ado, let's get this started. Now I can put a little water down in here, okay, and I may end up doing that, but for now we're going to start it out dry. Alright, let me show you what I've got so far just by working it around. Okay, now, okay, I'm getting it all the way around. Okay, now I'm going to pour some water in there. Alright. Alrighty, you can do that with marble, granite. It helps to keep the blade cool and helps it to cut without, and making your blade will last longer. Now I'm digging in at an angle on the side. And not only does the water keep the bit cooler and lasting longer, you're also not kicking up dust, alright? There we go. That's 1.25 inches. I'll show you the end results. Bam, there it is. Nice, clean hole that'll work. Alright. Alright. That concludes this segment of Easy 2 Tips and Tricks, episode 4. Alright, now remember, this is where you see everything up close and personal. I'm going to continue to make my holes this way. Okay, so with no further ado, let's do this. So remember, tell a friend, help me out. I'm just helping who I can, where I can. Bye for now. Bye.